Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Sorry for the noise in the background. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make abacha cassava frittata. So I hope you watch me while I take you through the process of how you can achieve this. So first I have to remove the back of this cassava. Remove it. I'll do the same with each and every one of them inside this bowl. So guys, here is how it is. I've already removed the back, peel off the back, so it's time to start cooking it. Add it into the pot and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. So guys, I'm going to leave it here until when it's tender, not too soft, before I bring it out. Okay guys, here is it. You can see the color I've already changed to yellow, that milk color, sorry, from white to milk color, and now it's time to bring it out. Then I will start cutting. So guys, now I have sieved out the water. I'm going to leave it to cool so that I'll start cutting it. So guys, now it has cooled down. I have to start cutting it. First, I open it into two like this. Then I'll take this out. I will take it out. I usually like it this way, so you can make it in any form, any style you like. So guys, this is how it looks. Now I'm going to be putting water to soak it for the next day. So guys, I've already filled water till the top of it. So I'm going to leave it until tomorrow, then I'll wash it. We usually do it like this to avoid when you eat it you start having problem with the stomach. So we usually do it like this. After boiling, cutting, we soak it until the next day, which is tomorrow. Then I'm going to wash it, then I'll show you the end result. So guys, I have to transfer it in an airtight container. Then I will cover it and leave it closed until the next day. So this is how it's going to be, and I'm going to leave it like this till the next day. So guys, it's day 2 of this abacha we soaked. So here is how the water is. I'm going to take it out now. You see, did you guys see how the water is? So I'm going to take it out so that I can properly wash it like 6 to 7 or 8 times. You can see how it's a bit gummy. How is a bit gummy. So you see why we have to soak it without eating it as of yesterday. So I'm going to wash it properly. Wash it first. I'll have to do this, then I'll transfer it into a rubber. Properly wash and sieve it. I'll wash and sieve it like 6 to 7 times. So that by then it's going to be okay before eating it. So guys, here is it. I've washed it to the extent of the water is now clear. You can all see that the water is now clear. It's no more slippery or gummy. I've removed all the starch from it. So now I have to bring it out and show you guys how it looks, the outcome. So guys, here is it. I've already finished washing it. Here is how it is. So guys, here is the end result of our abacha, cassava frittata or tapioca. You can serve it with peanuts, which we have here, or you can also serve it with coconut. So some people, they prefer coconut or they prefer peanuts. So depending on the one you want, to me I prefer the both of them. So you can serve it as lunch. So guys, I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the description box there, in the comment section. I'm going to get back to you, and I'm also going to leave everything in the description box of how I did this. Yes guys, so if it's your first time of coming across my channel, I appreciate you all. I appreciate you. Kindly subscribe and click on the bell icon to know to get my notification when I post. To all my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all for always coming and having my back. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you've not, share, and have a very nice day. Thank you and stay blessed.